Okay, before I do anything, I am going to fold my card and stick down my sentiment because I'm afraid I'm going to somehow or the other mess up my sentiment. So I am going to go ahead and stick that down. And I'm going to put it at sort of the top here. And I'm trying to just kind of stick it on the letters because sometimes the sticky paper will pull up the actual paper on your card. So I like to sort of just go over only the letters when I'm doing this. Very cute. Looks cute. Okay, so now we're going to start sticking together the rest of the card. So it really doesn't matter what order you stick the things down. You just need to make sure that you know what you want to do here. If you wanted things to use pop dots for them to stick up off the card, or if you want them to lay flat, it doesn't matter. Either way will work. It just all depends on the look that you're going for. And make sure when you're sticking down the frog pieces that you get them on the right place. The frog legs are not equal, so you can see this one's a little bit bigger than this one. So you just need to make sure that you're sticking them down the right way. Same thing goes for this. You can see that this is shorter than that one. If I turn it over, it's not going to fit. So I have to make sure that I'm fitting them together correctly. Let's see, I just did that on the frog. Okay, fortunately the glue will dry clear and you won't be able to see it. So the next decision is, do I want to make my frog pop off? I don't really think I do because of the white eyes. So I think I'm going to stick him down onto the paper flat. And I'm going to use this glue. There he is. Actually, I just remembered something. I can't stick him down just yet. He actually has to sit on top of the world, so I'm going to sort of peel up that part of him and slide that under like so. And then I'm going to go back and glue the underneath of this with my strip glue. So I designed the card and I still don't know how it goes down. So there it is. I didn't quite get it on straight, but that's okay. If you do it right, you can do better than I did. And I think I am gonna make it pop off this card. So pop dots. Looks like I lost my pop dots. Let me see if I can find them. Oh, here they are. Okay, there it is with the little pop dots on it. Super cute for somebody who's graduating from high school, college, or even kindergarten. Super cute.
This craft is one of many fun projects I have designed. If you like my work, be sure to click on the link in the description box below to check out my other crafting projects. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you'll be the first to know when I upload new content. Hey, do you like freebies? I have a link for that. Click on my freebie link for an instant download craft bundle that I put together just for you.